Automating big data workflows with AI and ML. Big data workflows consist of various stages: data collection, cleaning, transformation, analysis, visualization, and storage. With data volumes growing exponentially, traditional methods of handling these stages are becoming increasingly inefficient. Manual processes can be slow, error-prone, and costly. Key areas of workflow automation with AI and ML. AI-driven data ingestion tools automatically pull data from diverse sources, structured and unstructured, into a centralized platform, integrating data in real time from applications, APIs, and databases. ML algorithms can enhance data integration by mapping and correlating data points across different datasets, providing a unified view without the need for extensive manual intervention. Feature engineering and selection. Feature engineering involves selecting the most relevant data features for machine learning models, traditionally a labor-intensive process. With ML-based feature selection algorithms, relevant features are automatically identified, making it faster to prepare datasets for training while improving model accuracy. Model training and hyperparameter tuning. Training machine learning models requires extensive experimentation with various algorithms and parameters. Automated machine learning (AutoML) platforms use AI to optimize the model selection and tuning process. AutoML tools can handle repetitive tasks such as trying different models, tuning hyperparameters, and identifying the best performing model with minimal human input. Conclusion. In conclusion, AI and ML are automating big data workflows. This is revolutionizing how organizations analyze data. It leads to faster, more accurate, and insightful decision-making. Despite challenges, automation's benefits make it essential for companies.